Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how we can implement a model in a Next.js using create portal. So how the model implementation is in Next.js is a different from a regular React.js, because in a regular React.js we can implement model uh, normally. I mean, basically, you don't have to do any kind of setup to implement a model in a normal React.js. But in order to implement in Next.js, its work a little bit different as compared to React.js. Okay, so you can see that we have one button model, and if I open, then the model will open, and you have option to close the model. Okay, so this is a very basic model, but you have to do some additional setup in a Next.js project in order to build a model. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's jump into the VS Code. So guys, as you can see that I have created a basic Next.js project using command npx create next app. So you can create that project. So this way, basically you can create the project. So npx create next app and your app name. Okay, so you can create the project this way. Once you have done, okay, so you have to just do a id app name. Okay, that's it. So once you have done this process, so you will see something, this welcome page. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just remove the entire content. Okay, there is no need of this content. Okay, and I will give heading like implementing model in next implementing model in Next.js using create portal. So you can see that, okay, this we haven't improved. So we have removed everything. Yeah, so, okay. Now we will add one button. Okay, so let's first bring the use state from React. So from React we need use state. Okay, then set the state here, const show model, set show model. By default it will be a false. Okay, and we will be having a button. Okay, so for button, I have provided a class name. So you can see I have one global class name. I will use this one. So you can copy this styling and just put in the global.css. Okay, now come to here button. So on button I will do on click set show model true, and I will give the class name of btn. That is the global class name. Okay, and I will give the, sorry, this curly brace is not required. This curly brace is required here. So I will give the model button name. Okay, so let's see. Now before we start writing the model component, we need to do one setup here. So we have to create one file, document.js. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. Document.js. Okay, now come to this document. Okay, you have to go to this document, this link actually, next.js document, and you have to copy this entire code and just paste it. Okay, and add one div here. Give the id model root. That's it. Since we have added the document file, we need to restart our server here. So npm run dev. Okay, so let's see. Now we'll create one folder here, components. Okay, and we'll be having the file name model.js. And for model, so we have a separate file for that also, for styling the model. So this is the basic styling. So it's just 30 line of code. Okay, so you can copy this styling. Okay, okay, which is responsible for displaying the model. Okay, so this is the styling. Okay, file. Now come to model.js, and here I will import some use state and use effect from React. Use state, use effect. Now we need React DOM. From React DOM, this one you don't have to install any package. It come by default in a Next.js when you set up the project using npx create next app. So I will import the styling file. So we need to give from. So this is the styling, and I will give model dot, because this is the file name of CSS. Okay, now export default function model. Okay, so here we need to check is browser set. Set is browser. So in use effect we will set is browser true. Okay, now I'm to write const model. So this model component will receive some props from our index file. So from this file we are going to pass some props like sets, uh, home model, home model also we have to pass. So some of the props we need to pass basically from this index file into our component files. Okay, so model content is equal to, so let's first destructure the props which we are going to pass. Okay, on close will be passing to close the model will be children and the title. Okay, so title is not required. Let's, because will be copying all the content inside the model, so it will receive as a children. Now what we have to write here, okay, so if show, okay, this class name styles dot overlay, remove the slash, then div class name styles dot model, not capital, okay, then class name styles dot header, then here we will having a close button, okay, so this will be hash, and on click, I will be passing handle close, okay, so we'll have to write this handler. So now inside a tag we'll be having a button, okay, so class name, this will be again global class I will give here, and this is the close button, okay, and if we have like one second, let me close this one, okay, so now if we have the children, so children basically we have to show here, so children class name styles dot body, okay, if not then null, okay, so now if this browser, so the moment you click this will head to true, okay, then return react dom dot create portal model content and the document dot get element by id, so this id we are going to use, so on this div basically model will open, so we have to provide same id which we have provided in the document .js file, and else return null, okay, so on close, now we have to write a handle close function, okay, handle close, so handle close will having a e, so we have to prevent the browser default behavior, so this will prevent the browser default behavior, then we can call the on close, okay, now come to index.js file, you can remove this, there's no use of, and we will import the model component from component model, and here we will basically show the model, okay, so model, and in model I am passing this lorem ipsum some dummy content so that we can see some content inside the model, so I will pass, okay, now in the model we have to pass the props, so show is equal to show model. Okay, on close we have to pass, so set show model, and this will be false. Okay, and I think this props only needed. So on close and the children, basically whatever the content inside where it will receive as a children. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I refresh. I think the server. Okay, yeah. So let's see model is opening or not. So model is opening with our dummy content, and the close is also working. So in Next.js we implement the model this way using create portal. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please share and subscribe this channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.